Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. Kitchen and dining room, and 2. Phonics, soft C and soft G. Don't forget, let's start the DVD lesson. Next, let's do some actions. First, just watch what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. Stand up. Turn on the light. Turn off the light. Turn on the tap. Turn off the tap. Pour some juice in a glass. Stir the soup. Sit down. This time, let's do it together. Are you ready? Stand up. Turn on the light. Turn off the light. Turn on the tap. Turn off the tap. Pour some juice in a glass. Stir the soup. Sit down. Excellent! Hi, it's phonics time. Just watch and listen. This week we're going to do soft C and soft G. Let's begin.
まずは soft C から始めよう。
C is S. Circus. S.
soft C は S の音 S と同じ音です。上の歯と下の歯を合わせて息が漏れるように言いましょう。soft C は CE や CI のように C の後ろに E か I が続くときだけ S の音 S に変わります。EIEIO の E と I が後ろに続くときは音が変わるんだって覚えようね。
Okay, let's try the S sound together. 1, 2. S. 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 Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? C is S. Circus. Are you ready? 1, 2. C is S. Circus. Wonderful. Next is soft G. J. G is J. Giraffe. J.
soft G の音は J の音 J と同じ音だよ。soft G は GE や GI のように G の後ろに E か I が続くときだけ J の音 J に変わります。これも EIEIO の E と I が後ろに続くときは音が変わるって覚えようね。
Okay, let's try the J sound together. 1, 2. J. 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 Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? G is J. Giraffe. 1, 2. G is J. Giraffe. Wonderful. It's time to sing. The name of the song is the ABC song. Just watch us sing. A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Did you like this song? Me too! Please listen to this song at home. Goodbye. It's new vocabulary time. I'll introduce you to some new words. Just watch and listen carefully. Let's begin. It's a refrigerator. It's a sink. It's a tap. It's a pot. It's a pan. Okay, one more time. Are you ready? It's a pan. It's a pot. It's a refrigerator. It's a sink. It's a tap. That was great. Please remember. Hi! It's chants time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. This week, let me show you a new chant. Just watch and listen. Water in the pot. A pot on the bench. Juice in the glass. A spoon for soup. A fork for steak. A plate for food. Milk in the cup. Turn on the tap. Did that look interesting? Hi, it's book time. I will read you the story. Please watch and listen. My Kitchen and Dining Room. Written by Gary and Akiko.
タイトルは、私の台所と食事をする部屋。ギャリー先生とアキコ先生が書いたお話です。
My kitchen is clean.
私の台所はきれい。
Yes, and it has a big refrigerator.
そうだね。それに大きな冷蔵庫があるね。
Also, it has a gas stove and sink.
それにガスコンロと流し台もあるね。
Where is the dining room?
ご飯を食べる部屋はどこ？
The dining room is here.
ご飯を食べる部屋はここよ。
It's next to the kitchen.
台所の隣にあるんだね。
It has a big table and 4 chairs.
大きなテーブル1つと4つの椅子があるよ。
Wonderful!
素晴らしいね。
The end. Did you like the story? Me too. Goodbye.
Kino.
Now let's play the sound guessing game. Somebody says circus. Guess who?
Focus.
Circus.
Abacus.
Who said circus? I did. I said circus. Oh, Max said circus. Did you get it? By the way, what did you say, Linda?
I said abacus. Abacus.
I see. How about you, Carla? Carla?
I said focus. Focus.
I see. Bye, everybody! See you next time! Hey, how was that? Today's DVD lesson is over. Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. Kitchen and dining room, and 2. Phonics, soft C and soft G. See you next time. Goodbye.